chicken.
This part, show me. Like this lick me for 6 minutes.
When them say deck the house, them give some chicken back.
That one I lick me for 6 months. I was in a gas station yesterday, a man said to me, you hear about the chicken with them teeth? I said, chicken? And then I read the papers. So in the early hours of Christmas Eve, a best-dressed truck, chicken truck carrying hundreds of chicken ready to be prepared for holidays, stolen. Yeah, the hoodlums stole the truck belonging to the Jamaica Broilers Group after breaking into one of their 4 compounds operated by the JBG in Spring Village, St. Catherine. So, you know what I got in mind? There's a song where the man said, where them putting the chicken?
You know what's going on my mind? You get a chicken. You get a chicken. You get a chicken. Everybody gets a chicken. I'm sorry, best dress. I didn't mean
the truck was retrieved by the police in Amity Hall, St. Catherine, with only 88 of the 300 chickens remain. I'm not laughing. I'm not laughing, but you know.
Me a laugh. Them lucky any did left.
Yeah.
Because that Robin Hood move, dude. Yeah. They never wanted the truck, you know.
Yeah,
you don't notice them never want the truck.
Boy, that's not a foul play.
But
no, but honestly.
I see what you did there.
And I saw it, I was like, oh my God.
No, but talk truth. That's like Robin Hood thing, right? Christmas, people not no food.
Why?
Them just grab a truck with some chicken, give her the chicken, and then return the truck. I'm not encouraging that kind of behavior.
No, we're not
Let's get that straight.
Not encouraging it.
No,
but
let's get
funny.
that straight. We're not telling them to go out there and teach people things. No, negative.
It's funny.
All I'm saying is that you get a chicken. You get a chicken.
We'll get chicken.
Everybody gets a chicken.
Because you see, Christmas, you see, I come New Year's, a beer fried chicken, baked chicken.
Every kind of chicken, it's curry. All right, I'm done. All right. So from Christmas Eve to Boxing Day, still in St. Catherine, why them spices are. The usual buzz at the Hellshire and Fort Claris beaches was reduced to a hum yesterday as vendors and restaurant operators continue to feel the pinch of a recent animal attack that has left beachgoers fearful. In mid-November, 2 men were seriously injured after they went for a swim at Waves Beach at about 8 p.m. One of them, whose right leg was severely damaged in the incident, claimed he was attacked by a crocodile and that the animal tried to pull his friend under. The incident sparked public concern and an investigation by NEPA. That, however, has not assuaged the fears of beachgoers. All right, so I'm gonna tell you something, right? I had a little experience the other day going to a beach at night to film something, and to film something brown. And y'all stop. You see when it comes out that it's not like I was lying. But anyway, what I'm saying is, I was already afraid of going in the water because it was dark. Mm-hmm. And when I went into the water, there were hundreds of jellyfish. When we said, like, it was like a swarm, like a nest, right? And that freaked me out, and it hot. I don't know.
Is that school or
I think so.
Yeah, I think that's cool.
But, and I'm saying, if that frightened me so much, can you imagine that's happening to you while you're in the water?
Let me tell you something. Me not go no beach at night.
Well, if you can't see in there, I don't think you should have go in there.
No beach at night. Yeah, we go river. Me not go no beach.
I think Brown shouldn't be back in here today.
Brown love river, I know. I can tell you a story about him on the river.
Oh, guys, no, I don't think I want to hear that. Let's keep that ears very,
No, but let me tell you something. The environment is changing.
Yeah.
Climate is changing.
And animals are moving to where they feel they can get food.
Food, and where they feel that they would be
safer. Yeah.
Because even with the recent movement of crocodiles in Hellshire side, they're moving closer to land. And because we are damaging the environment, we're polluting the seas, wherever we're throwing the garbage, and animals don't like garbage either.
No. Who likes garbage? Nobody
likes some people like garbage, man. There's some people like garbage. Who? I don't know. Some people out there throw garbage, but the place them love garbage. So don't take Jamaica. But still, it's like they are finding places that they are comfortable. Because even a couple of years ago, the shark attacks out by Hellshire.
Yeah.
The sharks were moving inland.
So, people are not going to be willing to go in the water.
Just not going to the beach at night time.
No, don't. Oh, you mean at night?
Yeah, man. Listen, if I cannot see it, if I cannot see it, I'm not going.
What's worse, you seeing it and knowing that it's going to eat you, or not seeing it and knowing
not seeing it? Murder see it and know it's going to eat me.
Really?
Yeah, man. Murder see it.
Why? That's like you asking me if I want to know something I got dead.
Well, I want to see it. Yeah, man. I want to know. I want to see if a shark is going to eat me, or a crocodile, I want to see
What do you think you're going to be able to do in the few minutes that you know?
Much time I do things like that kind of work out?
Do it.
Things like that didn't work out.
I'm moving on. Can you please read the next
I'm
one?
serious though. I mean, okay. The next one. A strong typhoon that barreled through central Philippines left at least 28 dead, 12 missing, and thousands forced to flee their homes. A devastating Christmas celebration in the predominantly Roman Catholic country. Typhoon Fanfona, stranded many at sea, set off landslides, flooded low-lying villages, destroyed houses. I mean, after I talk about chicken,
I know.
Because I have a friend in
sad.
Indonesia now, you know, and a bus was run off the road because of the landslide. I said, yeah, man, it's crazy.
Gosh.
Yeah, most of the deaths reported by police were due to drowning, falling trees, and accidental electrocution.
This is crazy for somebody to actually go through this. And they told you it's predominantly Roman Catholic, so that means that they celebrate Christmas. So for this to happen at Christmas is really unfortunate.
But you know what the thing is, like, I think about all of that, and you hear about a typhoon. People think hurricanes are a big deal. Typhoons.
Hurricanes are a big deal, but just know that there are worse things.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
you know? There are worse things. Sorry to leave it there, but you know, we're gonna bring it back up for you for the rest of the show. That's it for the trending topics, and we will be right back.
We have chicken, you know.